How to start investing with just £100. Your path to financial freedom. Imagine if I told you that with as little as £100 you could start building your path to financial freedom. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how. Let's dive into how you can turn that £100 into your first investment and set yourself on the path to financial freedom. Okay, you've got that £100 burning a hole in your pocket. Where do you even begin? Let's talk about micro-investing apps. These apps let you invest small amounts, sometimes even just your spare change. Think about it. Every time you grab a coffee, you could be investing in the stock market. Many of these apps automate the whole investing process. You set it and forget it, and in the background, your money is growing. Download a micro-investing app, link your card, and watch as your spare change transforms into a portfolio. What if I told you that with just £100, you could own a tiny piece of the entire stock market? That's the power of ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. When you buy an ETF, you're buying into a basket filled with stocks from hundreds of different companies, diversifying your investment. With ETFs, your £100 isn't relying on the success of a single company, it's spread out, reducing your risk. Think of it as a safety net for your investments. Fractional shares let you buy a portion of a share in companies like Apple or Tesla without needing to shell out thousands for a single share. Imagine investing just £10 or £20 in a company you're genuinely excited about. Fractional shares allow you to curate a portfolio that reflects your interests and beliefs. But sometimes, the best investments aren't in companies or stocks, but in something much closer to home yourself. Investing in yourself is one of the smartest moves you can make with that £100. Every skill you learn, every course you take, every book you read, these are all investments in your future earning potential. Whether it's coding, digital marketing, or graphic design, investing in your knowledge and abilities is like giving yourself a raise. The best part? No one can take those skills away from you. So while putting money in the stock market is great, don't underestimate the power of investing in yourself. Peer-to-peer lending, or P2P lending, might sound complicated, but it's actually quite simple. Through platforms like Zopa or RateSetter, you can lend small amounts of money to borrowers, and they pay you back with interest. It's like cutting out the middleman, the big banks, and connecting directly with people who need loans. So if you're looking for a way to make your money work harder for you, give peer-to-peer lending a try. So, there you have it. 5 actionable ways to start investing with just £100. Remember, investing isn't about making a quick buck. It's about making smart, consistent decisions that grow your wealth over time. The key takeaway here is that financial freedom isn't some distant dream reserved for the wealthy. It's accessible to anyone willing to start, no matter how small. Start small, be consistent, and watch as your investments compound over time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos on building wealth and achieving financial freedom.